Diaz Dan. I'm back again with a video for you guys. As you guys can see, we got the Air Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfield paying tribute to the Airmax. We're going to get into a detail review and an on feet, so stay tuned for the on feet at the end of the video. Also, before we get into this video, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Everybody knows it was Airmax Day. As you guys can see, they threw on the Airmax 1, the red joints that I have right here. They threw it on the 3, gave it a nice little touch. At first, when I seen pictures, I wasn't too happy, but when I seen them in person, I was like, okay, these is dope. I threw the red swoosh on here. You guys already know that the swoosh does come out and you can change it. They got a couple of other ones I'm going to show you guys in a second. Let's just get straight into it. Let's come in your Jordan 3 box with the Tinker Hatfield signature right there. When you open up the box, it does come with the interchangeable swooshes now. Got some gray ones. You got the elephant print ones. You got the standard white ones, and you do have a gray with some like nubuck material. Now, everybody knows the red one just looks the best. You know what I'm saying? Just looks dope. Yeah, got your elephant print paper in the box, and that's about it. Starting off, as you guys can see, does come with 3 sets of laces. You got your standard white laces. Does come with the red laces, and it comes with a pair of gray laces. Now, you guys already know what the Tinker 3s look like, all right? Do have the Tinker 3s right here. These are the Tinker 3s. I also do have the JTHs, the regular Justin Timberlake's right there. Got your nubuck in front of the toe that goes around the whole shoe. Even in the back area over here, you can see it's in that. You got it in red in that nubuck. Alright, so let's start off now. As for the leather quality of this shoe, it's not the softest leather, but it feels pretty good. So you got your white leather on the upper, as you guys can see. Got your white on the midsole. Air bubble unit is in the gray. Interchangeable swoosh. As you see when you take it off, or you got that Velcro, so you could just take it off and just put it right back on, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, you got your nice tumble leather on the upper over here. You got your hits of gray with your holes right there. And you got your gray over here also with the white laces. White leather upper with your red that goes around the shoe. On the tongue, you do got a nice leather tongue with your Jumpman stitched in red. Medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral. You got your Nike on the inner part of both of the shoes. As you guys can see, you got your Nike stitched in, and it's like in that gray color. You got your Nike Air in red. Inside, take a look. You do got the Nike Air on the inner sole with your all red inner sole. Behind the tongue, you do got Tinker Hatfield signature. Take a look at that bottom. Bottom, as you can see, you got your Nike. Your hits of black. You hit a black with that gray and that white. Like, I'm digging these. I already put them on, and I was actually going to keep them on today and just wear them all day. But then I was like, nah, I'm going to wait till it gets a little more hot out. But yeah, man, you can see, man, they resemble the Air Maxes dead on. They did a good job, man, paying tribute to Air Max Day. You know, that was what, the 26th? And so they figured they dropped these for these paying tribute, you know? And I think they did a great job. I'm going to show you guys the other shoe. It does also come with a Nike Air hand tag. Alright. And there you have it, guys, man. Take a look at these bad boys. I want to know what you guys think in the comments, man. Let me know. About to get out of here right now. Got some other things to do. Let me know if you guys cop these or passed. I think these are very, very nice. And when you see them on feet, man, they look clean, man. They real clean for the summer. All around dope, man. You know what I'm saying? Jordan brand paying tribute to the Air Maxes. Can't beat that, you know what I'm saying? Throw a little Air Max material up on here. And all around great concept in my opinion. Way more videos to come. I took a little break last month because there really was nothing coming out, man. They came out with them 13s. I really didn't care about those too much. But just stay tuned. I'm going to bring you guys a lot of videos coming. So stay tuned. I'll show you right now what these look like on feet. Air Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfield Air Max 1. Thank you guys all for your support. It's your boy Diaz Dan, and I'm gone.
can't even look in your mama eye. Wish I could see you, but one more time. They looking for him, he don't wanna die. On the block, you ain't certified. Taking 3, you take 1 of mine. There you go, you be switching sides. Falling for it all the times you cry. I been stuck up, I got too much pride. I pick her up right away. I got the bag on the way. I told that bitch underlay. She fuck with me cause what them comments say. She fuck with me, she know my name away. I been trapping on my resume. I'm ballin' like I'm in the NBA.
Ride with the stick and the V with the gang. You ain't with the shit, so just stay in your lane. I gotta go hard for the shit that I claim. I came with the fame and I left with the same. Boy, you ain't official, little nigga, stop playing. I don't fuck with the odds cause them pussies is lame. You ain't gonna ride for me, nigga, stop playing. I stay with the grip cause I'm stuck in my ways. I know they sweet like Pop-Tarts. I'm tryna be like a rock star. I smoke your top like a rock star. I'm still in the field when the block high. I been on them drills and I stayed down. You ain't tryna get hit, nigga, lay down. I wasn't knowing I'm the face now. My brother bought to beat the case down. No slipping. Stay silent, get richer, it's piling. F1, it's squad shit, we putting off a road. In the big body, we riding. They took my brother, I promise we sliding. Hop off the internet, pussy stop hiding. I know you ain't really bout it. They think they know, man, just cause they heard some of my songs, man. We in gold, man, and I keep racks in my ball, man. You ain't certified, don't call, man. Stay in the paint, this a ball game. I been out riding like all day. If I fall, man, is you gon' spray, nigga, no way.
Down the ride. You can't even look in your mama eye. Wish I could see you, but one more time. They looking for him, he don't wanna die.